So about 15 years ago, I made up some basic survival packs for friends who couldn't afford doing anything or were too lazy to. And I made them really cheap and simple, but I figure something is better than nothing. Well, I'm cleaning out the barn and I found that I still had one pack left. I opened it up last night and was actually surprised about a few things. So here we go. The MRE was probably the most expensive thing in the whole pack. We've got tea and coffee, some gloves, a cheap knife, a food ration bar, which has obviously gone bad because the vacuum is no longer there, some cordage, a bunch of water, which is probably no good unless you're going to die otherwise, and you better drink it. Let's see. So one of those Mylar blankets and aluminum foil so you can boil the water and make your tea. But this is a kind of funny thing here is this radio. I think I got something like 10 of them for 20 bucks. And I thought, okay, it's destroyed because, you know, I left the batteries in it. And it still works. It's funny. Sorry, I find things like that kind of funny. Considering 15 years, the battery should have gone bad. So we got a Kleenex, dust. I made some basic first aid kits because I got a truckload of first aid stuff for free about 15, 16 years ago. Some powder, a soap bar, some skin lotion, and last but not least, a cheap flashlight. You can usually, look, it still works 15 years later. Light sticks, matches, compass, whistle, lighter, and yeah, that's it. I don't think there's $25 in this thing. I think I got these at like a secondhand store for $1. So my feeling was to give my friends something that was better than nothing. Extreme weather, you're in big trouble, but otherwise this will help hold you together for a couple of days while you get your act together. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you. Bye.